Hi, this is the problem we're doing right here. It's section 10.4 and it's problem number 15. And this is the problem. We have p of x is equal to x cubed plus x squared minus 4x plus 6. Alright, and we want to just find, let's see, I think we're going to plot it, graph it. Plot the graph on the given domain. You may use plot cubic or plot function. So in other words, the graphing calculator, okay? Or calculate by pencil and paper, but I'm going to use the calculator because he said we could. Then find all the zeros, real or complex. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just put this on the calculator. I'm going to put it in the y equal editor. And I think I might already have it in here. X cubed, oh no I don't. Okay, so I'm going to take x raised to the third plus x raised to the second minus 4x plus 6, putting it in the y equal editor, and then I'm going to graph it. Okay, and I can see what the graph looks like, and I could give you even a slight sketch of the graph if I could get my pen working here. Oh dear. Okay, so it looks something like this. And I could see that one of the zeros looks like it's at 1, 2, 3, right here. One of the zeros looks here. It's going up, and then it's going to go like this. That's what the graph appears to be right here, and I appear to have a 0 at -3, right here at -3. Okay, I did this on the calculator, on the graphing calculator. You could do it in Wolfram Alpha. He said whenever he says use plot conic or whatever, that means you know you don't have to do that one by hand. Okay, so make sure that you do that, and then find the zeros. Well, I think -3 is 0, so let's find out. Let's put -3 in. 1, 1, -4, 6. So if it's a 0, we're good to go there, right? Let's see, 1. -3 times 1 is -3. We get -2, 6, 2, -6, 0. There it is. Yeah. So x minus -3. And we can even see what the coefficients are. I can't believe you don't have to do polynomial long division. There's the coefficients right over there, right? So this polynomial is going to factor into, we're setting it equal to 0. So let's say, and let me even change the color here, okay? We're going to say 0 is going to equal x minus a -3, which is x plus 3, right? That's one of the zeros. And then it's going to be x minus 2x plus 2. These are the coefficients of the quadratic when we divide by x plus 3. Okay, so either x plus 3 equals 0 or x minus 2x plus 2 equals 0. And so this is either x is going to equal -3, that's one of the zeros right there. We saw that from the graph. Or the other two are going to be complex, right? So x is going to equal the opposite of b, which is going to be 2 plus or minus radical b squared, which is 4, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 2, over 2, right? So x is going to equal 2 plus or minus, and then it's going to be radical 4 minus 8, right? 4 minus 8, so that's going to be -4 over 2. And so then x is going to equal 2 plus or minus 2i over 2. And so you can see finally here x is going to equal 1 plus or minus I. And those are the three zeros. The three zeros would be -3. They would be the complex number 1 plus I and the complex number 1 minus I. And I thought that was the answer in the book for 15. Find all the zeros, real or complex. And that's it. I think that's it. If that's not it, something's wrong, but I don't think so. I think that's it. All right, so I hope that helps. Talk to you later.